Hello. Had a little trouble getting it started here. So, take a look at this picture. So, any of you who watched last time, you saw I was trying to build a rover out of small blocks in Space Engineers. Previously, as a newbie, I had just done the large blocks, and I thought, ooh, wouldn't it be cool to have a small block rover? So I tried that last time, as you saw, and that blew up. Literally. I was driving in the fog on an Earth-like planet, which shouldn't have been bad, except I couldn't see so well, so I ended up falling in a ravine, and the whole thing blew up. So, I started again. Instead of falling in an ice bed, like a lake that's frozen over, it put me on a planet that was totally ice this time, or at least appears to be ice. You can find rock, and I've been having good luck with that. In fact, this has gone really well off stream. I'm sorry I deprived you of that, but look at this little rover. Yes, it's facing the wrong way. It's got its face firmly planted in the dirt, but it is boss. It is really cool looking. And if I can get it tamed like a wild bronco that it is, it's got such a good design, I think. If you can see my mouse pointer, right up here is where we produce our hydrogen and oxygen. Right down here is the battery. Right here is a storage box, which has almost no storage capacity, but it can get something. The cockpit also has some storage too. I've got an ore detector on this side with antenna, and then I've got a beacon on the other side. It's so wonderfully compact. It just, I think I made the wheels too powerful or something, because I started to drive it and I turned around and boom, it jumped right on over. And I've been stuck trying and undo that to get it on all fours. And I think once I get it on all fours, I shall reduce the amount of power that it has, or the amount of strength or something. It sits really high, like one of those Earth ridiculous 4x4s that you sometimes see being driven on the street. Wonderful off-ground, yeah, off-road, I'm sure, but on the street it looks kind of ridiculous. This may be ridiculous in the fact that it may be just too high a center of gravity, but there again, it is just so compact, and should handle the ravines a lot better. I say should. We'll see. Same problem as usual. Don't know where the cobalt is. I've got plenty of hydrogen, plenty of oxygen, lots of iron, lots of silicon, lots of nickel. Very good foundation. In fact, when you see the base, you'll see it's a lot better. Those of you who've seen me before. So I'm making progress every time. So let's take a look at this. So here we are. I'm sitting in the cockpit at the moment, which is why I've got the same orientation as this cart. And my goodness, what a pain in the butt. Oh, I just got the idea from one of the other YouTubers to throw, what do they call it, a gyroscope onto this thing. Now, I thought gyroscopes only applied to flying vehicles, but right over here is a little doohickey. Let's see if I can, yeah, that little pimple sitting on the back near the solar panel with the green light on it. That is my gyroscope. And it has the ability to flip a vehicle. And that's actually how I got myself in this position. I fell face first and then couldn't push myself up using a piston. So I got this idea from another YouTuber to flip it using this this gyroscope method. Bizarre, it does flip it. Oh, I guarantee you it flips it. That's why it's got this enormous hole. This used to be all flatland underneath it. Now it's a hole. So, yeah, we're stuck. So, here we go. I'm going to give it some gyroscope commands. Let's see, is small cargo... Oh, there it is. Gyroscope. Now. I think I just want to roll it. Increase. I think that. Alright. And then, of course, I want to decrease. And the next one, decrease. Roll. Alright, let's try it. Let's see what happens. 4, 4, 4. Okay, well, it started to move it. Okay, alright. Oh, I see I've got little numbers there in RPMs. Okay, well, we're out of the hole. That's progress. Alright, alright, alright. Alright. Let me see if I can get it to roll from front to back, and I think that's... I've got 3 to control. Yaw, pitch, and roll. So the roll got us out. Now I want to... I think I want to pitch it back? I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, pitch, pitch override increase. Pitch override decrease, right? Alright, let's get a shot. Alright, 6. 6 and 7. 6. Okay, this is bizarre. How do I go 0? Alright, stop. Oh, mercy sakes, God. Gyroscope off. Well, I figured I'd have to redo those panels, but I didn't think so soon. Oh, and it damaged my O2 generator. Alright, alright. So, I'm not sure which one screwed it up. But screw it up it did. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's sad. Bet you it's the battery that started it. Starch steel tube. Alright, let's repair that first. Oh, amazingly, it wasn't the battery that started it. Okay, let's see here. Off we go. I've got this really nice dig. Let me show you. Look at this. Woohoo! Look at that. Oh, look at that. That's the nicest generator I've ever made. I am just so proud of it. Look at that. Those turbines twisting in the wind. The only one that's running optimally is the one at the top, but the others are good. So I'm pretty pleased with that. The last planet I started this on, well, every time I started to build something, a lightning strike would destroy it. So I went through some 30 windjammers. And I couldn't even build a base, really, because it kept getting destroyed. No oxygen generators, no batteries. It blew up my batteries every time I built one. This, I've actually got some armor plate put down, and it's in a protected spot. I've got cargo containers. I've got my basic assembler, and that's to assemble devices for you programmers out there. It's not to write hardware level code. So here's the deal. I made this little V in the rock, and all the rock that I mine just rolls right on down here, and then I just pop it right in here. So I don't have to go back and forth 100 times from several kilometers away. It just rolls right on down here, and boom. So there's that convenience, and then I've got my survival kit, which I'm really pleased at. I thought about building walls and a door and all that kind of stuff, but I wanted to get the rover going first, and I wanted to get my hold on just a sec. Caught in cords here. There we go. That feels better. Okay, so let's see here. Tube it wanted. So tube baby wants, tube baby gets. Oh, let's see here. I don't understand why my hydrogen in the tank goes down when if you see over there in the left-hand corner, lower left-hand corner of the screen, it shows hydrogen, and it's got a little icon of a tank on the top. So you'd think I'd run through the hydrogen in my suit, and then I'd go to the tank. But no, apparently it does something else altogether. Okay, so let's go right up here. I don't have to mine anything at the moment. Alright, let's fix this. There we go. I hate to see something on fire. Okay. I suppose there's damage everywhere, but should I get inside and do it, or should I do it outside? Let's make sure my gyro is okay. Gyro's okay. Alright. I'd like to do this outside of it. Well, let's see here. Okay, so we're playing with pitch, so let's play with pitch again. Pitch increase at 6. I don't see any numbers changing this time. Okay, 1, 3, 9, 24. Let it get up to speed. 60. I think 60 is as high as it goes. Okay, we'll pull that back. Okay, let's try. Roll. 4 is increasing it. I'm not seeing any change. Okay, I think it's at 0 now. Let me check. Gyroscope, power 100%. Oh, I've got it turned off. Yeah, that would screw it up, but let's check the settings. No. Huh. Alright, turn it on. Try it again. Pitch, 6 and 7. Okay, try it again. Oh! Don't know, but I think I'm... You know, that's not helpful. I don't think it's operating the way it should. I'm trying to interpret how this is working here. I think we're going over, and I don't think it stops when I ask it to stop is part of the problem. Alright, let's try roll. I think I'll click on this side of it, see if it goes. It doesn't do anything gently. And when I try to go to 0, what is happening here? Okay. I'm going to try 5 and 6 here. Oh, it's not 5 and 6. Let me get back into that control panel. Right. Take everything to the 0 point. Let's do 71% power. I think 100% power may be overkill. Maybe that's my problem. Okay. Let's go back in. And let's play with 6 and 7. Alright, here we go. Increase. Increase. Yeah, when it pushes me into that, I think we may have it. Okay. Let me stop. Alright. Woohoo! Finally! Oh my goodness, that took a lot of work. I did a lot more work off screen, and wow, I didn't even get this close. Okay, so here's my thinking, folks. Let's get out of this thing. I think I'm going to put 2 panels on this, first of all. And I'm going to put the wheels way back. I think I've got the right idea with how wide it is, but I need to increase its length. And maybe I'll leave these 2 wheels here and just build it out. Yeah. It's going to be a bit of a monster for something so small, but I think it's worth doing. Yeah, okay. Oops, sorry. I got caught up with my avatar there for a moment. There we go. How long should I make this? What do we got here? We got 4 blocks. How many blocks do I have between this wheel and that wheel? 3, 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we'll make another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. This. With a little bit of a tail, we can do a tail. Put this here. I'm going to lift it up on a piston so that I can install the wheels, because it won't do it on the ground. I learned that the all too hard way. There, I think that looks pretty good. Let's put it on here. Boy, getting this to line up. I'm crouching down. Okay, fine. Fine. Did the piston survive? Yes, the piston survived. Okay. Not too good at this flying thing, but yes, as you can tell. How did it do that? Okay. Let's put this back on there. Okay. Alright, so that's my hydrogen oxygen generator up there. This is my battery. There's my beacon. I'm going over it and I'm looking for damage. Okay, that seems to be fine. That's fine. Looking good so far. I'm amazed that's not damaged. Okay, so we're going to stick a piston on here. Let's see, where's... Piston is that one. Oh, and in the small block mode, it won't let you connect to a grid. You've only got free or gravity placement. I hope Space Engineers fixes that. Let's see here. Rotate. No, that's not the way I want you to rotate, but that's a start. Okay, that's the way I want you to rotate. Except I don't think that's the... the orientation. I think that's right. Yeah, that appears to be right. What's this now? What are you doing? Okay, that's weird. Let's get this lower one here. Got to crouch down. Got to get this end piece done separately, apparently. Okay, what was that? Okay, good. Now, an external control would be really cool, and I think it's possible, but I don't know how. Well, that's not going to happen. Alright, so let's walk casually over here and extend it via the cab. Alright, now I did this before from another position, and I think I ground that away. So piston, extend, and then piston retract. Okay. Oh, and I also want it to do it slowly, because when it does it fast, it flips over. Some of the default controls are a bit mystifying. Very slow velocity. 2. Let's go 1. Oh, and that reminds me. Exit. I think. Oh, this is cute. It wants me to stand on it. Okay. I want to put a block under this. No, not big block, small block. Gravity align. Well, maybe not. Let's do the free placement. That's interesting. Oh, that's up there. Well, I don't know if that's underneath it or not. Oh, it doesn't want. It doesn't want to do that. That looks underneath it, doesn't it? Unable to place. Well, now, why not? Do I not have plate? I definitely have plate. Okay, so what's the deal? The other thing that I'm having a much easier time with this this go-round is I've got lots of resources. Okay. Okay. You should just be able to place that. It shows it right over the top of that. That's bizarre. I can have it on top, I can have it near the bottom, but I can't. Okay, well, fine. I'll just have to go with the original plan. Just hop in the cabin here and change my view a little bit. There we go. Okay, extend. It's going very slow, which is nice. That actually looks bang on. Let's see here. It's like getting out of a British truck. Oh, I think that's good. Oh, yeah, I can work with that. Okay, let's put that there. Put that there. Okay. Now I want to put on, let's see, the right side. Are these right mounted? Yes, this is right suspension. Now I get to see what I'm doing. Oops. Not quite the right way. I'll get it eventually. If I hit every button that's in there. I think it's supposed to be that way. Let's see here. Yeah, okay, that's good. Except it's supposed to be down here. Oh, fiddlesticks. Alright, that did not. Okay. Well, that is not touching, is it? Not touching the ground. So this shouldn't be touching the ground. Alright. No, this is left. Left. I don't know what the difference is, honestly, between one suspension and the other suspension. Okay, so there we go. Do I have that correctly? Okay, I'm going to step back. There we go. See, if you don't step back from it, if there's anything like a blade of grass that could pass through those little red barrier thingies, then it won't place it in. It won't place a tire on the end of the axle. Like, man. Okay, let's go to the right. Almost. I think I had it there for a second. Let's back up from it a little bit. Let's see. Huh. Why isn't it? Okay, free placement. It's got the correct orientation. It's green there, it's green there. It's on the right hand side. Yeah. This should work. What am I doing differently that it's objecting to? Okay, let me behind the plate. It wants to put it here, which you can't do. That's a no-no. Let's try it higher. No. I wonder if it needs me to finish the plates. Let's try that really quick. Wonder if it's complaining because it's not correctly supported. See, there are some places where it won't even let me weld. I like welding this way. It's all very magical. As an engineer, I spent a lot of time welding. And I can tell you, it is nothing like this. Oh, I bet those guys at SpaceX really wished it was that way. Ooh. Okay. I think we've got enough plate to go ahead and finish this out. There we go. It looks pretty now. Now, am I missing anything? Okay, got it. That's done. That's done. Okay. Let's try it again. Let's see. 3 or 2. 2, I think. Right. Okay. Turn it. Flip it enough times. Okay. I think that's right. Yes. Can I get out of the picture? And engage! Ha-ha! There we are. I don't know if that was the actual solution, but hey, it worked. That's what makes physics different from engineering. Training is actually in physics, but engineering gets things done so much faster. Oh dear. Ran out of stuff. Need to go get motors and stuff. But that's pretty good. Yeah, we got the wheels on there. I guess we don't have the wheels on there. So I need construction comp. I got plenty of that stuff. Does this need construction comp too? It needs it small too. Yes, it does. Okay. All right. Let's find my way back to the mines. The mines. The mines. I think that's it over there, yeah. Oh, I dig this every time I see it. Okay, so what do we got here? Did you actually produce everything I needed? I'm gonna need that, and that, and that. That. I think I needed a lot more than that, but I don't remember. Well, I could look it up here, I suppose. Stop being lazy. Alright, so I need 32 cells, so I need 22 more cells. Computer and girder and yeah, all that stuff. So let's get busy. Production. And girder, I don't have enough stuff for while that's working on it. I'll top myself off. Wonderful. And let's see what I've got in my inventory here. Yeah, I know I don't have it all connected. I should, but I don't. That won't go in there, will it? No, it won't. Okay. Let's see, I've got computer. Steel plate. I think I needed some motors. So I'll throw those over there. I think I needed some more of those. Maybe I didn't. Yeah, I don't think I needed any of those. I'll stick 10 over there just in case. Yeah, there should be plenty of that, of the comp. Alright. Let's get in here. Oh, right. I'm over encumbered or whatever. We'll come back in a minute. I really shouldn't have left that on. There we go. Can't see while I'm... Superman can't see! Okay. Okay, that's at 100%. It's this wheel I wanted to get done first. Okay, that's at 100%. That's at 100%. That's at 100%. Okay. Woohoo! Now we're cruising. Okay, let's go into the cab. Put that down. Let's see, 3. And there the piston goes. And I think I will leave that on there in case I need to do something more like that. Alright. I'm really not that good at flying, but I really dig it. Okay. How did I get stuck in that? I want to put the 2 solar panels down. That's the other reason why I wanted to extend it. I wanted it to be panel friendly. Oh, that looks good right away. Except it's not green. Why isn't it green? Oh, it needs to be a certain distance away? Is that what we're saying? Is there room to put 2 side by side? No. That's alright. I came prepared for that answer. You won't let me see it. I want to see it. Oh, for heaven's sakes, come on. Let's see. How does that look? Yeah, it looks fine. Could I do this better? Nah, let's just go with that. Okay. Need more of those girders. Oh, I had enough bulletproof glass. Hey, that's fantastic. Okay. Yeah. I just needed girders. You wouldn't think that'd be a limiting factor on this project, but okay. Oops. I'll turn around. Gotta fill up with gas, see? Okay, did I have girder in here? No. I can put those away now. And I don't need that anymore. I always seem to need the plate though. I'll keep that on hand. Okay. So, put that in there. Maybe I'll get another girder or 2 out of that. Yeah, that's weird. It shows it here, but I guess I didn't connect it right. Okay. So, let me talk to the machine about making girder as a priority. There we are. Okay, I actually have to do some mining. That's okay. I actually enjoy. There we go. Oh, I go. It's off to mine I go. Now look, see all the rocks going down? Isn't that wonderful? That way I don't have to go figure out where it needs to be. Retrace my steps in the mine and just all goes downhill. Much like our economy. Wouldn't want to say I plagiarized my economy, but okay. Enough said. So where my other games took maybe 6 hours, 8 hours, this has only taken me a couple of hours to put together. So this is working very, very well. Some of that, of course, is due to what I've learned through both experience and by watching other players. I am so thankful to other YouTubers like Splitsy who shared their knowledge and their experience. Otherwise, I would have been really frustrated with this game. There we go. I'll just collect it all down at the bottom after I deposit this. There we go. Suck them up, blow them in. Go.
Inventory full.
Keep hitting the wrong button. Okay, there we go. Did I have any more up here? Nope. It all rolled, as was the plan. Okay, let's see what it's made. Yeah, I'm actually caught up. Usually this thing is done processing, well, in the other games, because I'd have to travel like 2 and 3 kilometers just to see what I was doing. Oh, there it is. It's done. Okay, so it wasn't that. It's there we are, and that's all I need. Unless there's something else that needs repairs, and I didn't see anything so far. %. 100%. We're good to go. Let's double check these. Board detectors, 100%. Antennas, 100%. Cargo container, which is really kind of useless. I really need to build a different one. But I thought, let's get some experience driving this thing first. Double check the battery. Battery's good, didn't get damaged. Plates seem to be fine. Front tire, okay. On the right hand side. Check the left hand side here. Looks like 100%. Cockpit's good. Beacon's fine. I need to increase the transmitting range of that beacon. Looks like the left-hand side wheels are good. Looking good. Alright. Shall I take a test drive? Let's save this. And we'll come back to it. Okay. Two solar panels, get the cockpit. Let's check out gyroscope. I'm going to turn that on, but I'm going to return everything to its standard. I don't want it rolling. Okay. O2 generator. I should probably check that for ice. All wheels. Looks like that's good to go. Brake is on. Solar panel. Probably should go in the day rather than night, but check the battery. Fully recharged in 20 hours. That's real-time hours, so I'm not too sure. I'd like to couple with the base. Okay, antenna, broadcast radius. Let's go full on that. I'd like to put a kit on here, survival kit. But I don't know. We'll hold off on that, I guess. Range, oh, definitely increase the range on that puppy. Broadcast using antenna. Not sure if that means it's engaged or not. Okay. Let's hope it is. Okay. I'm afraid to take this out for a test drive. Okay, dampeners. I don't seem to be able to toggle those on or off. Let's take the parking brake off. Dampeners. Dampeners can't be engaged, apparently. Oh, let's see, one. I guess that still works. Let me redo that. Yeah. I think I need to redo that because I added another 2 wheels. Let's take that and delete. Let's see, I think I hold control for that. There we go. Block group. Call that all wheels. Okay, that was dumb. There we go. Oh, I didn't save it. There we go. Oh, we got sunlight. Well, that feels good then. G. Groups. Break. There we go. I feel better about that. Marginally. Alright, let's turn that brake off. P is off. And I think I'll go in third person view. Look at that. Doesn't that look cool? It's a lot bigger than it was before, but alright, let's go forward. Good slow. Oh, I remember. Wait a minute. All the wheels. I wanted to turn the maximum speed down. Speed limit. Let's get that down to 30. I know there's a way to actually type in what that value should be, but I'm not sure what that is. Double click maybe? No, not 269. Heck no. Okay. Not 76. There, okay. Alright, well. Strength, power. May need to mess with that. But. Okay, let's go. Wow, it turns quick. I'll have to be careful with that. I'm just trying to turn just to see how it behaves. Okay, now we've got the ore detector on, so we've got about an hour for battery power here. Okay, I'm flooring it. This is what 30 kilometers per hour looks like. Not too shabby. I have no particular direction. Let me just try this direction. We'll go back towards the mining area. And I'm kind of thinking I want to make an interface between the base and this thing so I can charge it up fully. But it depends on how hard it is to get down into that valley. I may have to scope that out a bit. Well, we'll see. This is relatively smooth. If it doesn't have any surprises, then it'll be going pretty good. Kind of want to... Let me think here. Might be able to sneak up on it there. Let's see. If I just take it slowly and gently, kind of like they do the Mars rover. Yeah, that shouldn't be too bad. Okay, alright. Slow it down a little bit. Okay, now I'm thinking I should make a connector, put one in front of here and then one there. So let's get lined up here and see. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Okay, pop on the brake. P for park. I don't know if that's valid. I've been cautioned against using the P thing, but let's see how it goes. Okay, so here's my vision. And the connector, if we can get a connector on there, in the small grid, putting anything large grid on it is a problem. If we can get a grid connector on there with that little inventory port on it, things should look pretty good. Oops, didn't mean. All right. Let's see what we have available. I think this is it. That's the ejector. Okay. I haven't learned to use the ejector yet. I think I know what that's for. That's if you've got connecting tubes and you're pulling inventory through it, it can spit. It might be even able to do that on a cargo container, but it spits out the things you do want in there. Okay, I'm not seeing it, so maybe it's not available. Let's type in connector and see if it'll pull me down to it. Ejector. I keep getting fooled by it. Connector. I don't have access to it. So I gotta build one of these things. Conveyor junction, medium conveyor tube. Oh, let's build that. I think I've got enough resources to do just that. And then that should get me what I need, I think. Yeah, okay. So, fine. Connector tube. I do a little tube right here. I thought it'd be a little thing, because it is on the pod. Okay. You're going to do strange things with me. Fine. Fine. For absolutely no reason, I'll put a connector tube on here. Change its orientation. There is no way it wants to go. Fine, I'll just put it up on the. Put it on that thing. It looks like it should go on there, doesn't it? You need, oh, I need interior plate on me. Alright, fine. I don't know how much I need. It's just... Alright, now will you listen to me? Fine. Okay, I'll put it on here. There. Motors and small steel tube. Okay, so I can do that, right? add it to my build planner, and then pull it out of here, right? So then I can come over here and just do it. Alright, now, I don't really need that there. Now, did it open that in my box of tricks? Bagration. Typed it into here. Ha! There it is. We have it available to us. Collector, connector, conveyor, sorter, basic assembler. I think at some point I need to build a full-on assembler, but I don't think I have the tools for it. Let me cruise on down here and let's, yeah, okay. Okay, now let O2 generator with their built medium cargo container. Yeah. Isn't there like there's a basic assembler and then there's an assembler, isn't there? Basic refinery. Yeah, there's an assembler. It requires metal grid. That's why I haven't been able to access it. The metal grid requires cobalt, which we haven't found yet. Okay. All right. It's in the future. Ugh. I almost felt that. Let's see here. Page down. Okay. I need steel plate. Come on! You're killing me here. No. Inventory, please. I thought you had a lot of steel plate. Was I not looking? Did I use up all my steel plate? Can I put? No, I can't get it from here. Okay, that's fine. There we go. That should be enough steel plate to get the ball rolling. Because I need to get an idea of how high this is going to be. Huh? Replacement mode. It's K to open terminal. What? Okay. Is there a better way to do this? No. Oh, it's backwards. At least, I think. Color me clueless. Alright, so... Alright. I don't know if those two will ever match up, but we've got a better chance than I have ever had in any of the games I've played. We know we need more construction comp and steel plate. Still, that's progress. Oh, that is tremendous progress. We'll just put it all on board. I wasn't paying attention, were you? I know I need steel plate. Yeah. I'm pretty sure this doesn't have any more. Right. I need to do more mining. It's okay. I can handle that. And steel plate. It's got its computers now. It's got its motors. Small steel tube. Yeah. So steel plate's the only thing that's missing. Okay. Computers, motors, steel tube, good. Construction comp. Oh, color me amazed. It requires a lot less. A lot less. So we'll just need steel plate. That's okay. Alright, let's put all this stuff away because I don't want to carry it on me. That gives me the most capacity for carrying all the stuff that I'm going to need. Do a little charge here, and then we shall get on with drilling here. Boy, that takes a long time. Alright, here we go. We'll go up here, because I like to watch the train. Materials. I think rocks just hanging up in the sky like that are a little bit odd. Is it my imagination, or is this drill a lot better than the one I started with? There are classes of drills, apparently. It goes chevron 1, chevron 2, and chevron 3 beyond the basic. And this is the first time I have ever upgraded to a better drill. And I did that by chasing down one of those stray signals, the unknown signals that you see down there in green. I chased one of those down and it gave me a drill. Another unknown signal gave me the grinder. I haven't noticed as much with that. This drill makes a difference since you spend a good portion of your time when you play this game drilling for resources. Okay, that didn't roll down. What's keeping you? There it goes. Good deal. Got to make sure the spice flows. Okay, looking good, looking good. Okay, that should be a good start. I'm getting tired of hearing that grinder go anyway. I really dig this whole setup. If I can find cobalt and silver, this game will be mine. There we go. Make sure the production is where I want it to be. Yep, it is. Okay, well, we're waiting for that to chew, and chew it does. We'll finish up this one. There, we've built a mechanical suckerfish. All right. Add some more plate here. We just need 20 more plate, which is pretty amazing. If we can somehow get these two to kiss, it'd be awesome. I don't know that we're going to be able to do that. Let's see what we got here. One plate, I need 20. We're out of rock, so that means back to the mines. Not too bad. I think I've got a bunch of rock up here actually, unless it all came downhill finally. Well, that's all fine and good, but I think we're going to need that for... It's not flowing. Let's get it to flow. It's almost exciting. I don't know if any of you did this when you were little, but when I was little, and I think my parents did too. We used to play with streams. So if it rained and there was loose soil somewhere, we'd make the soil go in different directions. You know, wherever we wanted them to go, essentially. Change the course of mighty rivers, you know, that sort of thing. So, mining is kind of like that. These are my streams. Let's make that flow a little bit. There we go. There we go. Whoops. Oh. Gotta be refusing, huh? Come on down. All right. Yeah, in other worlds, I would speed up by flying and then get myself killed. So this is preferred, this methodology. All right, let's see what we got for us. Oh, I think that, yeah, that's more than enough. Woohoo! Let's apply it. And then let's get them to kiss, baby. Technically, I think I could use this. Yeah, because it's at the functional line. But let's line it up here. That's going to be another trick, though. Let me see. Oh, I might be able to. Okay. Take brake off, parking brake off. I may need to do this a different way. Okay, cockpit view. Let's see. Connector. Do I have to tell it to connect? Auto unlock time. Trading mode. Well, it's not connected to anything other than the grid. That's all I'm trying to do is, like, powered up. Show block and inventory screen. I think it's supposed to turn green. Rover. Show block in terminal, show block in inventory screen. Let's show that on hub. That's kind of important, I think. Lock. I think I got it to turn green by hitting lock. Okay, there's a good way to test that. It's going to go for battery, but which battery is that? Oh, wind turbine. I can see the wind turbines. Yeah, so that's producing power. Rover battery. Fully recharged. And it said 6 hours before. So this is wonderful. We succeeded. Kapla! All right. Jump out here and... Yeah. Without doxing myself, that's more or less the way I kiss. Okay, let's see here. Time to check for damage, because I thought it was smoking at some point. Looks good, looks good. Looks good. Turning the speed down definitely made a difference. Extending the truck size of this made an enormous difference. Oh, yeah, that's fine. I'm not seeing any damage. Of course, I'm maybe just kind of lazy in what I'm seeing. Good, beacon's good, 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 good. Everything I'm seeing looks good. All right. Okay, I'm going to use some of the spare plate and firm it up here. Oh, I guess I need more. I'd like to make those into firm blocks too. Now we're just looking at aesthetics while we wait for it to charge. Next time I come on, oh, I needed, yes, that's fine. This may give us 2 hours of running time. That's pretty good. Do you have any more steel plate for me? Kind of, but not really. That's alright. That's doing pretty good. Let's see. Do we have any spare signals to go chasing down? I don't see one. Maybe if another one comes down. Oh. I forgot we had rocks. Let's grab us some rocks. Okay. Well, that saves me a little trouble there. Let's pound some of these rocks. To flow. Well, let's see if I can good. There, now that all flows there, I can pop it in here and just reach down and pick up some. And not have to dig anymore. Well, I'm sure at some point I'll have to dig some more. Oh yeah, that's so much better doing it this way. Doesn't quite reach. Did I lose any over here? I did not. That was the other advantage of building more than I needed in terms of... Okay. Let's see how much plate we got. Look at that. That's nice. Okay, that's good for 2 of those bricks up there. So, let's go up there and make it purty. Kind of too late to fix that middle one. Okay. Let's give myself some gas here. There we are. Give it a little energy too. Alrighty. I want to fill this up. Don't want to be with anything less than 100%. Okay. Did you produce any more while I was... Yeah, you did. Because I want to change this up a little bit. This isn't suiting my needs. It kind of does. But there's another version of this. I wonder if this would look good there. Upside down or sideways or something. I messed that up. Okay. Let's try that again. Okay, rotate that. Kinda. Let's see how that works. Kind of have to get a... Yeah, so I can cruise around here and I can walk around here. Yeah, yeah. Not perfect by any means, but that'll do. Okay, let me check the rover. I think I can do that from here, since it's all interconnected. So I look at the rover battery. 34 minutes. Nice. And I can do that from any point on this quote-unquote base. Oh, yeah. Okay, I could pick all those, but I'm not going to. I'm going to pick these. Rocks out in space. This is going good. Okay. And I prefer above ground mining. I think I've said it before. Yeah, I could dig a tunnel, a very deep tunnel, do my mining. I do not prefer to do that. I'm probably going to have to do that for the cobalt and for the silver, if I can ever find a source of it. But this is a fantastic start. There we go. Smooth that out. Smooth that out. Dig. Now we can start digging a little deeper. And since I moved the survival kit down to this base, I don't have to worry about going up to the pod anymore. That is a much better way to do things. The last two games I played, I was slave to wherever the pod was. This is much better. All the rocks are marching down to where I need them, so this is good.
Inventory full. Inventory full.
This is almost lazy mining.
Inventory full.
I mean, the only way this could be better is if I had it automatically mining, and I will be heading to that at one point. I kind of have an ambition to like mine to the core, but have it do it automatically so I don't have to crawl in there and mess with it. Let's see what the production is set up for. Okay, I'm going to stop making those and just make those. Dig down into the inventory there now. So that should be good for one more block. Oops. I'm going to turn on the rockets first. I hate how it does that. Well, that looks prettier. Almost like it's supposed to be. Okay, 5 more plates. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Cruising here. Let's see. Do we have the 5 plates? We have 6. Well then. Play Superman again. There should be like a gyroscope that sets my direction. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look cool? Woohoo! Oh, I'm digging that. Oops, I get carried away looking at stuff and suffer the consequences. There's my energy. My H2 gas. Put the tank in there just to top it off a bit. Awesome. That means I need to go mining again though. Okay. Let's go do it.
Inventory full.
Fortunately, I've done that already. Oh, yeah. Oh, I don't have cobalt for it. I was going to put another inventory, not inventory, but what's it called? Cargo container on the cart, but I can't do it without grid, and I need cobalt for that. So. Soon, very soon. We're getting there.
Inventory full.
Okay. Just wanted to make sure my base was rocking. Okay. Let's go check out that. I need to know what the procedures are for disconnecting that. Oh, well, no procedures. Let's just do it this way. And what do I gotta do here? Lock and unlock. Switch lock. If I understand what that means, let's see here. Connector, where are you? Connector, rover connector. Is there another thing, a separate thing called switch lock, or is it just lock and unlock? Auto unlock time, no. I think it's just a matter of turning it on and off. I'm going to look at that green light sitting on top of there, so let's see here. Locked. 8. I think I just disconnected it. Woohoo! Let's check my battery. Battery. Well, yeah. That doesn't give me details, but this gives me... Oh, fully depleted in 2 hours. Two hours. That's better. Okay, beacon. Not beacon, but detector. Range. Is that maxed out? Yes, that's maxed out. Broadcast antenna. Alright. Yeah, so broadcasting will give me the advantage of it will transmit to me whatever it finds when I'm outside the rover. Okay. Let's back it up a bit. Oh. Parking brake. Oh, I didn't turn the brake back on, so yeah. Here we go. Okay, double check that off. That's off. Parking brake. Parking brake isn't on, so this should be going. Dampeners. The gyroscope is on. Someone else is using the ship. There's no one else on this planet, so that confuses me. Let's check this out. What am I missing here? Rover connector. Will it show my status as locked and unlock? Go. Well, let's shut it off and turn it on. We'll cycle it. See if that works. Alright. Turn it on. Oh, one thing I did want to do is feed the yeah, let's turn on the parking thing. Oh, that automatically engages the connector. Isn't that interesting? Okay. I'm gonna get out of here for a second and I'm gonna go get some ice for a minute. Like going to a hotel and grabbing some ice. Okay. But this is even easier. I think I'm full now. Yeah, I'm full.
Inventory
Yeah,
full.
I'm full. Okay. I don't think I'm going to be able to do it on the ground, so there we go. Oh, you can only carry 1,000 pounds. Or 1,000 liters. Oh, okay. Okay, I thought I'd turn that off. Turn it off. There we go. Put the ice in here. Oh, I had the hydrogen bottle in there. Forgot about that. All right, good. Good, good, good. So, Try that again, shall we? I didn't lose anything because I'm producing energy for free, so. Let's see, it's back out of here. Unpark. Brakes are off. Engage. Connector. It's not letting go. How about we turn the connector off? I'm a little confused. No, I'm a lot confused. Okay. Brake is off. On, off. Let's check that. All wheels. All wheels are on. Brake is off. Propulsion is on. Steering angle. Strength. I don't think I want it stronger than that at the moment. Good, good. Rubber beacon. I will turn that up. Rubber battery. Good. Piston off. That doesn't need to be on. That doesn't need to be on. Gyroscope, that needs to be on. Yep. Antenna on. Broadcast maximum. Show ship name. I don't know what I called my ship, but yeah. Alright. That looks good. I don't need the cache in there, so we'll just put it there. I'm not sure what to do. Okay. Let's break cockpit view. It's not even turning the wheels. Small grid, 5966. Okay, that's cute, but that's not really, let's fix that. How do we fix that? Grid blocks. Direction info, maybe? Center of mass, gravity range. I've never had to look at this. Block 78, armor blocks 18, non-armor blocks. Oh, that's all the gadgets I got connected. I've actually got a conveyor on board. Lights, spotlights. Oh, lights. You know, that might not be a bad idea. Throw on some lights. Okay. Anyway. Easy to get distracted. There are so many things to look at. You'd think, oh, there we are. Small grid. No. We'll call this Rover Alpha. Why not? I could build a big block rover, but I don't want to. Okay, factions. Factions. Spiders. I don't want to encounter spiders. Man, I still don't want to encounter them. Heck no. Propose peace. No. Comms. GPS. This looks good. Respawn pod. You know, let's get rid of them. Yeah. I was going to delete that, but I don't see it. Oh, there it is. Delete that. And rename that. There we go. That way I don't see so many signals when I go out there. Okay. Rover Alpha. There we go. Pretty. You know that beacon almost produces enough light. Okay. Pressing the back button. We've got plenty of power. Okay. What am I forgetting? Do I have separate brakes in here? I have a handbrake. Inertial dampeners. Somehow I think that'll be a good idea. Show horizon and altitude. Main cockpit. Yes, it's the main cockpit. I guess. Well, there's so many things I could customize, I guess. I don't know about the scripts. Block group, transfer to. Transfer to nobody. Now, the owner is me. So what are we saying? Cockpit, owner and me. Show block and terminal. Yeah, okay, fine. Fine. I don't see why that would need to be on, so... Nut lock is off. Ore detector is definitely on. All wheels. Kind of think it boils down to this. Safely detach. Toggle block. It is on. Steering, propulsion, brake, auto shock, invert steering, steering angle. Should I increase power? Let's see. I don't know about this, boss. Okay. We'll do it from here. Parking brakes off, power's on. Let's see, what do we got here? Horizon, gravity. Not sure if that's what I asked it to do or not. Okay. I just tried to engage the engine. I'm going forward, going backward, going left, going right. Go outside. Let's see if the wheels move like an RC car. Not so much. Someone else is using the ship. Explain to me why that comes on. Alright, let's transfer the ownership to nobody. Yeah. No. Okay. No change. No difference. Transfer it to me. Yes, change it to me. Share with my faction, I guess. Share with all. There, that way it's not being silly, I guess. Control thrusters. I don't have control thrusters. Control wheels, gyros, handbrake. I am perplexed. Okay. No change in control. Well, I'm going to have to read up on that. I don't know what it means by that. Here we got this perfectly good rover, ready to go. All power is there. All of our metals and materials are there. We're ready to explore the planet. So I guess we'll just leave it for here for now. And maybe offline, if I figure out how to do it, I'll rove around just a little bit, and I'll bring you in on next time we do this, which will be on Friday. So look forward to seeing you. Thank you for joining me, and I'm glad you were there, because I think you brought me quite a bit of luck. Thank you so much.